John Cena is farewell tour begins with WWE Netflix premium. Alright, 2025, John Cena's 2025 retirement tour kicks off on tonight at the Intuit Dome in Los Angeles, coinciding with WWE Raw's historical debut on Netflix. Alright, tonight, John Cena is starring WWE is Netflix premium tonight. So John Cena is going to retirement right now, and this is the last moment with WWE. And tonight in Los Angeles gonna get down because a lot of people, his supporter who been supporting him since he started WWE, they're gonna be there, and it's gonna be crazy out there. I wish to be there in Los Angeles, watching John Cena. I've been watching John Cena, since I was like a long time ago. Like when I was a kid, I've been watching him playing, in WWE, and he was one of my favorite WWE fighter. So his retirement, I just feel like I want to watch him more if he fight, but everything that is starring must be ending too. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching it on Netflix, and I really like the way they've been doing. They put it in Netflix. It's great thing. So I'm gonna watching him and Netflix. It's gonna be crazy. John Cena again, 2025. Yeah. All right. What do you guys think about it? Any comments? Put in comment section, and talk to you next time. Ciao. My name is HP Classic. Talk to you later.